here is the finals, is monolithic aesthetics, which is the 3 abutment and the gold anodizing. And the facial, we add with the composite and block it out the facials specific colors we fabricated. After that, great lingual contour occlusion anatomy. The finish is definitely improved from here. Now we fabricated the 3 custom abutment and we specific design, and in order to matching the 1611, so we fabricate custom abutment and gold anodizing after that. And then so check with the pre-op model which is Dr. sent to us. So we're trying to pre-op model, meaning is exact before time, which is patient had this one. So so I have to check this is incisor guidance, aesthetic anterior design, and the occlusion especially. Okay, so this is the different pre-op, just cut it back the facial area. We're trying to put the micro layer, and then we just put the thick incisor area. It's very important, so it's most likely chip those areas. So we just cover it with a certain thickness side view. Okay, and now the other posterior bridge was as mono, so 3 and 4 unit. Okay, this is the individuals fabricated monolithic. Okay, that was good. All right. So final contours like that. And what about the occlusion view? Okay, so that one is the before and after color occlusion, different color. That one is occlusion. Yes, that's nice. All right, so we all block the contact, add with the zirconia. Perfect. And then now lower. All right, lower occlusion view. That's cool. Now we add with incisor 1/3 as well. So this is the final. We made it. Now we put the nesting and then milling with the BND live block. And this is the behind the story. So Mary spent a lot of time with this. That was the thickness too. All right. So I like the occlusion, which is the curve of spin. You know, this contour, focal cusp, height of contour, occlusion contact. All right, cool. Okay, finish the artwork. Right, so you saw these our build up 21 unit cases. This is a prototypes from the S10 and we set the vertical dimensions. We articulation calculated with the patent. And here is the finals is monolithic aesthetics, which is a 3 abutment and the gold anodizing. And the facial we add with the composite and block it out the facials. Specific colors we fabricated. After that, great lingual contour occlusion anatomy for this. So here is what it look like, and we make the great tissue texture and contour in between teeth, and setting the from height from gingiva to all the way incisor, trying to make the great golden proportion for that bubble corridor. So finish is definitely improve from here. It just look like more lifelike restoration. It's not look like straight tab, but you saw the hour is the build up, it's more dentine and translucency. But we have to make really good specific design for the zirconia lingual all the way micro layer facial only. We're trying to protect inside 1/3. That's the bottom line. Now lower, we're trying to make the same thing, K9 to K9, and step down to the lower teeth. We make the great anatomy for that. Okay, so we give them the cheek, and the individual dies from the name. And this one is the final after I articulate together. And it's just like that. Okay. So we're trying to match up the midline. There's great translucency, gingival contours. This is from STL5. We got the great colors, lifelike restorations. Another lucky patients too. So now it's from the STL5s we designed, and monolithic restorations. That's awesome.